Okay, October 8th, 2024. We're checking the air pressure with our Hyper Tough dual power compressor or air inflator, tire inflator. This tire started off at 18 pounds. It's at 21. I've got it set to cut off at 50. We'll be checking the others as well. That one looks low too. I don't think there's a leak. I think I've just let them get low. And like I say, this is our Hyper Tough dual power inflator. You can use 110 or plug it into your battery. We're also going to be working on our other vehicles today, the van. Other Jeeps, we're going to get a battery for the van. It's 5 years old. We're going to get another battery. So we're going to be doing auto repair videos or auto maintenance videos today. So check back and see what we're into. Well, it is going to take a while to get this thing to 50 pounds, just at 33 now. But if you're stuck on the side of the road with no other way to pump your tire up, as long as it doesn't have a big hole in it. So I'm satisfied with the way it works. And these are bigger tires, 31 by 1050s. These aren't your normal size tires for most vehicles. For trucks and SUVs, this would be normal, but I haven't checked the other tires. I think this other front one's low too. We'll probably try to get both of these front two to 50, then later, and then head on out. We got a lot to do. Head out and then check the back two later. We got to find the oil leak in that van. I think it's the oil pressure sending unit. We're going to get a battery for it too. And we're going to be piddling with those other two Jeeps up there. Okay, it's 10:45. We started about 10:36, so that's about 9 minutes to get it from 18 to 40 pounds. Well, like I said, the little air hose isn't very long, but your hose to connect to your 12-volt power supply, or I'm not sure how long the 110 line is, but like I say, you've got dual power available here. Let's turn this one off. And get the other side going. Yeah, see, from the cigar lighter, whatever you want to call it, this comes out about 6 feet, and so you got plenty of room to get to the front and the rear with about a little 2-foot air hose. Now that's enough to take care of my van up there too. So I think this is, I think this would work for most applications. And we got the other one to 41 pounds. We'll get this one to 41 pounds, and we'll head out. So this should be a wrap. It took 9 minutes to get it, that other side from 18 to 41.